रीटा, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी रहेगी मुझे रोज याद दिलाने की, मैं बूढ़ा होते जा रहा हूँ, मुझे सहारे की जरूरत है।
ओके सर।
क्योंकि चले हम आगे। विद्युत कोशः सहकः सह विद्युत कोशः। कोशः नाम, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोशः? स्टोरेज, लाइक पॉकेट। आपके शर्ट में जो पॉकेट या ट्राउजर्स में जो पॉकेट रहते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कोशः। विद्युत मीन्स एनर्जी, इट डज नॉट मीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इट मीन्स एनर्जी। सो विद्युत कोशः, सेल, विद्युत कोशः। अभी जैसे ही नया ऑब्जेक्ट हाथ में आया, लुकिंग एट व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस, द नेम वाज अलॉटेड, नो नीड टू गो इनटू डिटेल्स, राइट? सिमिलरली अनिल कोशः, बॉम्बे में तो अभी बहुत ही कम हो गया, बिकॉज एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ पाइप गैस, और लेकिन सिलेंडर्स, आज सवेरे के बैच में ऑल वर अमेरिका स्पेशल बैच है, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आस्क मी, सर व्हाट इज दिस? तो क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा ही नहीं होगा शायद, सो दैट देयर आर चांसेस। दिस इज गैस सिलेंडर, अनिल कोशः। It is not cylinder that is koshah, but this is a object. The cylinder stores the gas, so it is a storage. Anil means gas or air in Sanskritam. Anil means gas or air. So this is anil koshah. Sahakah, sah danda deepah. Need not explain you. दंड दीपः, कर दीपः, दंड दीपः। नाउ बल्ब्स, गोल दीपः, bulb is round, गोल दीपः। And a couple of years before, China had come up with a new type of light, CFL bulbs, CFL bulbs। तो वो क्या था? Neither it was a danda deepa, neither gola deepa, it was something crooked, going round and round. CFL bulb. So it was called Vakra Deepaha. Vakra means crooked. Vakra means crooked. Vakra Deepaha. How many of you all know Ashtavakra? Rishi Ashtavakra?
I know.
हाँ सर, जानती हूँ मैं।
I know, sir.
अष्टवक्र।
Because he was a person who was crooked, his 8 body parts were crooked. So Ashta means 8, Vakra means crooked. So that was his name. That's it. So
Sir,
every
वक्रतुंड मतलब हम गणपति को बोलते हैं, तो वक्र अगर ये
yeah,
है तो
crooked, crooked tundaha means trunk.
अच्छा, ओके ओके,
सूंड, सूंड जिसे कहते हैं।
ओके ओके ओके।
Now coming to this thing, Vakra Deepaha. It makes sense. It makes easier for you all to understand how can you judge a new thing. Now, Asandaha. Sahakaha, Saha Asandaha. Asandaha yani chair. Now, asan, it is commonly used, asan, in every household. It is something when we do puja, we sit. But mind it, asan in Sanskritam means the object that has 4 legs and it is meant for sitting. जिसे हम गुजराती में बाजट कहते हैं, बाजोट कहते हैं, आपलं मराठी त्याला हे बोलतात, सॉरी, हम पूजा के समय नहीं, चौकी कहते हैं, चौकोन। मराठी में कोई नहीं है। ज्योती काय झालं, झोपलीस की काय?
पाठ म्हणतात सर।
इदमासनम,
पाठ ना,
चौरंग।
चौरंग, चौरंग, येस, चौरंग,
इदमासनम,
हाँ, yes. So Chauranga is 4 legs. Chauranga means had 4 pillars.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to add that.
So Chaurangah, that is where we put it and we call God and Stapna karte hain. So that is a chair you are offering to God. The condition is it should have 4 legs. It cannot be flat. Please. Part. Okay, we consider part. But part, the design of the part is it should be such that it is engraved at the bottom. It should be engraved with a curve, giving that last block an independent identity, that it is 4-sided. So part. It should be. हाँ जी, हाँ
पाटलो पाटलो
पाटलो पाटलो हो, पर पाटलो चपट ना हो जो है. जस्ट 2 डंडी लगा दी तो वो पाटलो नहीं थतो. It should have 4 legs. So it is budget.
Okay.
Dining table has to also be considered as a budget because there you dine. आप अगर गांव खेड़े में जाते हैं या कोई संस्कृत गृहम में जाएंगे और वो नीचे बैठ के खाने का जो तरीका रहता है, they give you a elevated चौरंग, यानी सामने आपके सामने बाजोट रख के उस पे थाली रख के देते हैं. You know why? Because अन्न को देव माना गया है, ईश्वर भगवान माना गया है अन्न को. तो वो जो आप दे रहे हो, नीचे जो बाजोट होता है, चौरंग होता है, उसे आप देव के लिए यानी अन्न को आप सम्मान दे रहे हो. सामने वाले को सम्मान दे रहे हो बात अलग है, परंतु उसके साथ साथ खाने को भी आप सम्मान दे रहे हो. तो डाइनिंग टेबल इज इक्वली गुड बिकॉज डाइनिंग टेबल को भी 4 पैर होते हैं, isn't it? So you can say even in modern times, unknowingly also, you are paying respect to Annadev, yeah, Annapurna Mata ko. Let us go ahead. Asandaha. Sa ka पुलिंग शब्द अभवत, यानी पुलिंग खत्म हो गया. हाँ, हो गया. सा स्थालिका, the plate in which you eat. थाली. हाँ, आप कुछ ऊपर रखने के लिए जो ये रखते हैं कवर वगैरह के लिए, it is not स्थालिका, परंतु this is स्थालिका, the plate that you use for eating. Any material it can be. स्थालिका. सा शाटिका. Shatika is not the mannequin. The sari that is there. Shatika means sari and not the mannequin. नहीं तो आप सोचोगे कि mannequin को शाटिका कहते हैं, तो that's not right. It is sari. Okay. सा अग्निपेटिका. सा अग्निपेटिका. Okay. अग्निपेटिका. Agni fire, petika box, petika box. So it is a match box. Sa agni shalaka. Sa agni shalaka. Sa agni petika. Last में क्या सुनाई दे रहा है? अग्नि पेटिका, स्थालिका, अग्निशलाका. क्या सुनाई दिया आपको? आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग है. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. Do not forget to bifurcate whenever it comes to the स्त्रीलिंग, because on that the grammar will depend. सा जवनिका, curtain. Javanika is curtain. It can be a door curtain, window curtain, and one more thing. Even when we give presentation or we go for a movie, the screen that is in front of you is called Javanika. The screen is also Javanika. Matter of fact, even computer display or mobile display is also called a Javanika. Mobile display is also called Javanika. Fine? Agree. Utthpitika. Utthpitika. Desk. Utthpitika. It can be a desk. It can be a भोजन उत्पीठिका यानी डाइनिंग टेबल, not only table, it can be a stool also. Stool, to if you need to climb up, you need a support of a stool. That stool is also utpitika. Sa utpitika. Akaranta striling, utpitika. Sa churi ka. Churi ka. Sa churi ka. सा सौंचिका. संचय करता है ना, it collects the papers and all that. संचय करना, सौंचिका. संचयति यानी कलेक्ट करना. सा किम करोति, सा पत्रम संचयति यानी पेपर को कलेक्ट कर रही है. संचयति, सौंचिका. यहाँ पे आप फाइल करते हैं. So not only this box file or office file, even your folder, paper folder or anything, it is saunchika. Sa kupi. No reaction.
इकारंत
Striling. Ikaranta striling. Why kupi? Kupi means bottle. It can be any material. It can be glass, plastic, thermos flask or mud. Even आजकल mud के भी bottles आने लगे हैं.
और tin
or copper, any material bottle. It is kupi. Now, kupaha, I would request.
Kupa, well.
Sorry, well. Kupaha means well. Please, दूतनाथ जी आपके, हाँ जी, हाँ please, आपके वहां से बैकग्राउंड से बहुत आवाज आ रही है. हाँ, I am unable to speak because बैकग्राउंड की आवाज आती है तो I have to raise my voice और accordingly there is lot of chaos in the group. कूप यानी well, कूपह यानी well. तो well is cylindrical in shape and what is the property? To store liquid. It can be water or it can be oil. It can be any liquid chemical also. So as far as we say well, we associate well only with water. It is not that. Well can be oil well also. It can be chemical well also. Artificially created, because well is always artificially created. कुआं हमेशा हम इंसान बनाते हैं, कुदरत नहीं बनाता कुआं. ठीक है, तो it is artificially made. So same property this has, to store liquid, and it is cylindrical in shape. So kupi, kupaha, kupi. Similarly, घटी, इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. घटी, कूपी, घटी, नदी और इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. अनिल चुल्ली, अनिल कोशः, अनिल चुल्ली, गैस स्टव. चुल्ली का मतलब होता है अंगीठी कहे या तंदूर कहे या चूल्हा कहे, जिसे हम लकड़े से भी जलाकर खाना वगैरह पकाते हैं. और हमारे गुजराती घरों में होता है सिगड़ी. सिगड़ी पे रोटी जो पकती है उसके जैसा टेस्ट कभी भी नहीं होता. Am I right? I can understand કમોદિની.
Yes, sir.
કમોદિનીના મોઢામાંથી પાણી છૂટ્યું, મને ખબર પડી.
બધાના મોઢામાંથી સર.
I know. અને ઇન્દિરા માસીનો તરત માઇક ઓન થઈ ગયો. हमारा वक्ते हमें કેટલી રોટલીઓ બનાવતા હતા, તને શું કહું અર્જુન. માસી, हमें 50 રોટલીઓ બનાવતા હતા એ સેગડી પર, હે ને માસી? આમ ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ ફૂલી જાય.
Yes, sir, yes. ફૂલકા.
સાથે એના ઉપર જે ઘીનો ચટકો લાગ્યો નથી અને ગોળની સાથે ખાવાની મજા નથી. देखो ઈલા માસી
સર ભૂખ લાગી જશે, હવે ક્લાસ બંધ કરવો પડશે મારે.
ईला मासी का भी माइक ऑन हो गया. हाँ ईला मासी, हाँ जय श्री कृष्ण मासी. तो हम तो कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे. तो वो उसी सभी लोगों, सभी चीजों का. हाँ कमुदिनी बोल.
हाँ, ઈલા માસીનું નામ તો એલા લાગે છે, એલા, ELA.
She is modern. She is very modern.
મેં નામમાં ઈ રાખ્યો છે.
અરે માસી,
મલયાલમમાં એલા એટલે કેળાના પાન.
હા, but at the same time our ઈલા માસી is not એકદમ modern છે માસી, હે ને માસી?
હા હા, મેં મારું
એકદમ
નામ પૃથ્વી માટે રાખ્યું. મારું નામ ઈલા છે પણ પૃથ્વી એનો મતલબ થાય પૃથ્વી.
પૃથ્વી.
હા, પણ રાખવામાં ઈ સારો લાગે એટલે મેં ઈ લખ્યો.
हाँ, बिंदु है किधर है तुम?
વેરી નાઇસ, વેરી નાઇસ.
इनकी बेटी बिंदु है, वो भी she is also our participant. बिंदु છે આ બેચ માં?
સર ઈ બેટી નથી, આ બેચમાં નથી, ઈ બપોરના
બપોરના, હા,
બિંદુ અમારા શાળી
બપોરના બેચ માં છે બિંદુ, મને ખ્યાલ છે.
ડોટર ઇન લો છે.
ડોટર ઇન લો છે, અચ્છા, હા. તો હવે તમારા બંનેની વચ્ચે લગાડું માસી, ઉભા રહો. બંને અલગ અલગ ટાઈમમાં છો ને, મને ફાયદો મળી.
આમાં એટલે અમે આમાં સાથે હતા, પેલું અભ્યાસ પુસ્તિકામાં
અભ્યાસ પુસ્તકમાં, હા
સાથે હતા.
હા, એટલે બંને મળીને ઓરલ સાહિપા.
હા.
વાહ ભાઈ વાહ, વાહ ભાઈ વાહ. ના તો એનીવે વન્ડરફુલ માસી. પણ ત્યારે જ ખબર પડી કે બિંદુ તમારી, મને લાગ્યું કે તમારી દીકરી છે, પણ ડોટર ઇન લો છે. તો હું આવતીકાલથી વઘાર કરું. જુઓ, મને વઘાર કરવું બહુ ગમે. આઈ લવ ટુ હેવ ધેટ, યુ નો, વઘાર, છીંગ. હા, ફિર કભી બોલુંગા, ઠીક હે? કાઈ નહીં માસી, ધ્યાન રાખજો.
હા હા, ના મારી વહુ બોલે છે તમારી વહુની જેમ.
હા, બસ દીકરીની જેમ રાખવાની છે આપણે.
એટલે તો ડોટર બોલ્યા, ડોટરની જેમ બોલ્યા.
હા, મને ઇનલો ગમતું નથી.
હા, એટલે જ ને.
હવે મજબૂરીમાં ઇનલો બોલવું પડે.
હા,
કેમ કે અને પાછું બહુ ઇનલો નહીં કરતા, હા માસી, ને તો પાછું લોની નોટિસ માં કે મારી દેશે.
અને મારે છે ને દીકરાને 2 દીકરી છે ને, પણ હું એમ કહું મારી 3 દીકરી છે.
હા, એક્ઝેક્ટલી, એબ્સોલ્યુટલી.
મને દીકરી નથી એક પણ, એટલે મને આ 2 દીકરી આપી દીકરાની ઘર પાસેથી, અને બિંદુ પોતે મારી દીકરી.
અતિ ઉત્તમ. હું બિંદુને બીજી રીતના કહીશ, હા, આપણને કાલે ખબર પડશે માસી.
હા હા.
आगे चलते हैं मासी, माइक ऑफ करजो ने. अनिल चुल्ली, हाँ, चुल्ली. देखिए आधा ल है, आधा ल को प्रोनाउंस कीजिएगा, चुल्ली, चुल्ली. ओके, अनिल चुल्ली. अग्रे सा का सा लेखनी, पेन, बॉल पेन, इंक पेन, wherever you are using ink, it is lekhani. Ink is called mashi in Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, it is called mashi. Lekhani. Saka, sa ankani, saka, sa ankani. Ikarant striling ankani, anunasika api asti atra pashyatu. Sarve. Ankani.
અંકની.
Ankani. सा का सा कर्तरी, कर्तनम यानी कटिंग, कर्तरी इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू कट. ओके. तत् किम, तत् संगणकम, अनुनासिका, संगणकम. इट इज नॉट सगणकम, सनगणकम भी नहीं है, संगणकम, अनुनासिका, संगणकम. यानी क्या? संग यानी टुगेदर, गणकम मीन्स कैलकुलेशन. यानी the instrument which can do simultaneous, they can have the calculation done. You can use this machine even for counting, even for writing letter, even so many activities you can do with this computer. So sanganankam. Am I right? Tat kim, tat shur patram. Shur means sharp. अभी देखिए, शूर मीन्स शार्प, इंग्लिश में शार्प, शूर. पता चला शार्प कहां से आया? शार्प कहां से आया वो सिद्ध हो गया ना. शूर, शूर मीन्स शार्प, और शार्प शूर से उत्पन्न हुआ शब्द है, शूर इन इंग्लिश. तो शूर पत्रम, शार्प शीट. Patram means sheet. This sheet can be a metal sheet, it can be a paper sheet, it can be a wood sheet also, any sheet. But when it is sharp, it has to be metal. So shur patram means blade. Does blade define you the property of that object? Blade अगर इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं तो can you, अगर आपने blade देखा नहीं, and if I say कि to shave you need a blade, will I understand what is blade? But if I say to shave you need shurpatram, oh yeah, sharp metal sheet to shave. That's how this is shurpatram. Tat kim, tat pushpam, tat kim, tat snana fenakam. Fenakam means soap. I know fenakam also means ladder, but ladder is the supplementary thing. The soap generates ladder. So fenakam actually means soap. Snana fenakam, bathing soap. There are some people in rural areas nowadays, if you go, you will find they use a washing cake. साबुन यूज करते हैं कपड़े धोने के लिए, उसे कहते हैं वस्त्र फेनकम. वस्त्र फेनकम. बट अभी वॉशिंग पाउडर भी आ गया तो उसे कहेंगे चूर्ण फेनकम. चूर्ण मीन्स पाउडर, फेनकम सोप. अभी हैंड वॉश, लिक्विड सोप आ गए तो क्या कहेंगे? जल फेनकम. जल फेनकम, लिक्विड फेनकम, जल फेनकम या द्रव्य फेनकम. द्रव्य यानी लिक्विड. So द्रव्य फेनकम या जल फेनकम. जल फेनकम is easy to pronounce, so no problem. जल फेनकम. Am I clear with this? All different style size फेनकम्स together.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
पिहित पत्रम. पिहित means enclosed. Enclosure, जो enclosure हमें इंग्लिश में कहते हैं to enclose. पत्रम, to enclose यानी जो छुपाना, enclose करना, छुपाना, सेफ करना. पिहित patram. Patram is a sheet, what we call. When with this reference, it is obviously paper sheet that is put inside, kept inside. Envelope. Any color envelope, green, white, yellow, blue, red, or with that hearts and with that roses, all those envelopes are called pihit patram. Am I clear? Agree.
Yes, sir.
Shirastranam. Shirastranam. In modern time, it would mean helmet. What is Shirastranam? The
Topi.
object that protects your head.
Sir, topi also, topi.
I'm coming to it, sir. I heard you. So Shirastranam is the object that protects your head. So one, in modern days, it can be a helmet, then cap, topi, pagdi. What we have a pagdi. Pagdi is also Shirastranam. हमारे सिख भाई जो पहनते हैं, that is again called Shirastranam, pagdi, turban, turban, whatever form, whatever prant, it is Shirastranam. Okay, so helmet also.
Originally, it was also with the cloth, no? Cloth. Astra, astra, astar, astra. I was told, I understood it as सर पे पहनने वाला जो कपड़ा होगा वो. मॉडर्न में तो
पगड़ी
change हो
कहते
गया.
हैं. देखिए, उसे पगड़ी कहते हैं, पहली बात है. बाकी देर आर उपवस्त्रम, यानी ऊपर कंधे के ऊपर जो डाला जाता है वस्त्रम, उसे भी धूप में निकलो तो सर के ऊपर डाल दो.
करेक्ट.
अस्त्र
वस्त्र. हाँ, अस्त्र वस्त्र.
But it is अस्त्र यानी हथियार हुआ, वस्त्र यानी कपड़ा हुआ. So vastra cannot always be Shirastranam. Shirastranam is protect your head. This is having multi-purpose. It is not one particular purpose, but helmet has one particular purpose to protect your head. Topi, cap, has one purpose to protect your head. ये अपना pagdi has a one function, and that is to protect your head. So it is Shirastranam.
Okay. Okay.
That is the reason when you were saying topi, I said just wait, I'm coming to it, because the word Shirastranam basically means the object that protects your head. A cloth cannot protect your head. It can protect your head from sun. But that cloth, Upavastram, has many other activities also. Now,
Okay. Okay.
Pathe Patram. Patram means vessels, बर्तन. बर्तन जिसे कहते हैं, वासण जेने આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ, that is known as patram. Pathe patram. Pathe यानी when you are traveling, it is the vessels that you take when you are traveling. Vessels, bartan, definitely it is tiffin. What else? So pathe patram, in modern times it is tiffin. Am I right? So path, P-A-T-H, okay, that man is now on the right path. That path word is Sanskrit, 100%. Path. It is known as pataha. Pataha. Pulling shabd asti. Pataha. Agree. Vatayanam. Window is Vatayanam. Javanika akaranta striling. Okay. Window Vatayanam. Vatayanam. Vata यानी क्या? Atmosphere. यानी Vatavaranam is atmosphere and Vatayanam is for window. So when you open the window, the fresh air comes in and it controls the atmosphere of the house. It refreshes the atmosphere of the house in some case. So it will be Vatayanam. Secondly, Sopanam, staircase. Sopanam means staircase. Can anybody tell me what will be the Sanskrit word for escalator? Now you think and you create the word.
Fire making it so much.
Swayam Chalita Sopanam. Chalan Sopanam.
Second.
Yantram Sopanam.
Yantra Sopanam. Yantri Sopanam.
और
should get burned up and then
और कुछ?
Yantri Sopanam.
स्वचलित सोपानम. स्वचलित. स्वचलित सोपानम. That is स्वचलित. फिर यंत्र सोपानम.
यार वो एस्केलेटर्स जो आते हैं ना, उसको शायद स्वचालित सोपानम भी बोल सकते हैं.
तो मैं एस्केलेटर की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, I was thinking elevator. Sorry, sir. My mistake.
नहीं, वो तो अट्ट यंत्र बोला जाता है.
लिफ्ट.
अट्ट
मैं
यानी
लिफ्ट सोचा, इसके लिए मैं ऐसा बोला.
नहीं, अट्ट यानी फ्लोर होता है. तो अट्ट यंत्र, अट्ट यंत्रम यानी लिफ्ट होता है. When you but this I am talking about staircase. Elevator. Elevator नहीं होगा, escalators. Sorry.
Escalators.
So it is my mistake because I said elevators. I'm sorry. I'm talking about escalators. It is Swachalit Sopanam because it is absolutely in the shape of a staircase. If you want, you can walk down also, walk up also, and it is automatic. Swachalit, automatic. Swachalit is automatic. Okay.
Correct.
But it is good to have this type of sopanam, because escalators, have you observed the escalators? You have one particular escalator to go up and another one to come down. But see the intelligence of this escalator, this staircase sopanam. On the same sopanam, you can go up also and you can come down also. So intelligent, na? You don't need to have two different staircase. Do you need two different staircase? क्या हो गया, कंफ्यूज हो गया?
Escalator can be reversed.
सर वन वे होगा
Escalator
तो
can be reversed.
हाँ, वन वे कैसा होगा भगिनी? वन वे, आप घर में सोपानम लगाओगे वन वे, या बिल्डिंग में आपने सोपानम लगाए वन वे, आप यहाँ पे चढ़ो वहां से उतरो। हाँ, आजकल होता भी है, शी इज नॉट रॉन्ग, आजकल होता भी है बहुत जगहों पे।
सब मॉल में ऐसा ही है, एक ही साइड से चढ़ने का, एक ही साइड से उतरने
हाँ, यस, देयर आर समटाइम्स।
सर इन इमरजेंसी इट्स इजी टू टेक अ फ्लाइट।
Take a flight. Yeah, so nice. Agree. Syutam. Any carry bag. I'm not talking about purse can be syutam, but what we carry for carrying our vegetables or some material, household material, we have that jhola, because plastic is now banned. So we have a jhola. That jhola can be of jute or can be of cotton. कपड़े का भी हो सकता है ना, तो वो कपड़े का हो या प्लास्टिक का हो या कौन से भी नॉन वोवन का हो, कोई भी मटेरियल है, इट इज जस्ट फॉर सम मटेरियल यू आर कैरिंग, इट इज नोन एज स्यूतम. इट डज नॉट मीन योर ब्रीफ केस. ब्रीफ केस का मतलब होता है यान पेटिका, यान पेटिका यानी ब्रीफ केस, सूट केस. और ब्रीफ केस इस कार्य पेटिका, ऑफिस में जो लेके जाते हैं ब्रीफ केस, दैट इज कार्य पेटिका, एंड सूट केस इज कॉल्ड यान पेटिका. अभी ये जो वर्ड है स्यूतम इज ए इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड, क्योंकि एक ऐसा वर्ड है विच कैन बी स्यूतः ऑल्सो. मीन्स व्हाट? स्यूतः या स्यूतम मीन्स व्हाट?
पुलिंग भी और नपुंसक.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. स्यूतः मीन्स विथ अम निकाल दीजिएगा और विसर्ग लगा दीजिएगा, इट कैन बिकम स्यूतः. It also means the same thing. So there are some words which are common in pulling and striling. You can have a pulling form of it and also napunsak form of it. Syutah ya syutam. Am I right? Just a moment, I will come back. Till then, please.
Till then, be silent. Don't make noise.
Yes. We start here again. I'm really sorry. Are we clear with this thing? We have completed with our initial slideshows regarding. हाँ जी, ओम जी.
You said this Shuta can be masculine and feminine. Guruji, ये थोड़ा elaborate करें please, कैसे how it can be feminine and
Feminine नहीं. I'm sorry, it is not feminine. It can be syutah ya syutam. You can call
Got
the
it.
bag as a syutah also, and there is a special slide if you remember.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी, धन्यवाद. I got
Syutah
it.
and syutam. It has a great meaning in that slide. If you remember, our old students, they remember very fast. हाँ. So we go ahead with our slide. Now, the second part, now the new chapter. Am, na, va. Am means yes. Na means no. N-O, no. And va is a question. Let me be very clear. It is na, and do not write it as na, because there is no such word as na. हिंदी में जो हम नो के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, ना. ना मत यूज कीजिएगा. इट इज न. Only one alphabet, but a complete word. Na means no. Am means yes. Am. Ma halant hai. Ma आधा है. Am. Na. Va. Now, Saha Ashvaha Va. Saha Ashvaha Va.
वो अश्व है ना?
है क्या? है क्या? आम. सह अश्वः. अभी आम बोल के अगर आप स्टॉप हो जाओगे, अगर आम बोलने के बाद आप बोलोगे आम, यस, खाली इतना जवाब दे दिया, तो यू आर इंसल्टिंग द पर्सन हु इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. ये डिसिप्लिन ऑफ द लैंग्वेज है. सो वेन एवर एनीबडी आस्क यू सह अश्वः वा. वा यानी is it a horse? Is this a horse? Va. Am. Saha ashvaha. Saha sivva. Saha sivva. Na.
No.
Saha gajaha. Na. Saha gajaha. या फिर आप बोल सकते हो न सह सिंह न सह गजह. बट दैट इज टू लॉन्ग अ सेंटेंस. हाँ, बहुत लंबा सेंटेंस है. तो क्या बोलोगे? न सह गजह. सह सिंह वा न सह गजह. सा डोला. डोला मीन्स झूला. फाइन. डोला आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. सा डोला वा. सा डोला वा. आम. सा डोला. आम. सा डोला. अभी आपने यहां पे ऑब्जर्व किया क्या? मैंने म हलंत किया है. इरिस्पेक्टिव यहां पे वॉवेल हो या यानी कॉन्सोनेंट हो या वॉवेल हो, यानी स्वर हो या व्यंजन हो, आम इसमें म हमेशा हलंत होगा. Am I right? There are, see, any rules are never 100%. जो भी रूल्स होते हैं उसके assumptions, presumptions आएंगे. So let us understand as far as am is concerned. Am is an individual word. So ma halant is irrespective of whether it is a consonant or vowel. Like sa dola, तो sa, sa तो it is a vowel, so it should be आ के ऊपर अनुस्वार होना चाहिए था ना, परंतु am is written only in this way, not with anuswar. Am I clear with this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why only few people are answering? Why the rest of them have decided to go on?
ચા નથી પીધી sir, ચા નથી પીધી.
Why rest of them are not interested to participate? Please. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sa Lakshmi va. Sa Lakshmi va. Am. Sa Lakshmi. Am I audible?
Yes.
Now-
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, 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 no.
Na.
No.
Saraswati.
Sa Saraswati. Na. Sa Saraswati. अभी देखिएगा. There you will find somewhere it is written Lakshmi. And somewhere, sometimes some places you will find Lakshmi with Visarga. They mean the same. Whether with Visarga ya without Visarga, it is Striling and Lakshmi. Even with Visarga, it is Lakshmi hi. Parantu, she is Sa Lakshmi hi. Sa Lakshmi hi. Am I right?
Normally तो female में नहीं लगता ना विसर्ग.
नहीं लगता, परंतु Lakshmi, yeah, Lakshmi is one such word which has an exception.
Okay.
Abhi, I went into the details. I found that I had asked somebody and gone into the details. I found it that in stotra, Vedic stotra, somewhere to keep up the rhythm, I would put it, to keep up the rhythm, they had to is also not right. So it is in both the cases. Isn't it? So let us consider that, but I'm making it clear, I'm clarifying it. There are chances because South Indian stotra or South Indian literature, if you go through, or sometimes South Indian papers also, you will find Lakshmi hi. That doesn't mean it is a pulling. He's talking about some a person, but there are cases also where Lakshmi is also the name of a man. But when it refers to goddess, it is Striling in both the case. But when it relates to a human being, then Lakshmi and Lakshmi hi is male and female. Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anji.
Pranam Guruji.
Pranam MBBS R Sharma ji, बोलिए. हाँ शर्मा जी.
Lakshmi. I think in South India, as you told, it is always referred as Striling, sir.
It is Striling.
Yes, sir. And I did not come across. I am also studying some stotras, but I never found that it was referred as pulling.
It is not pulling. I say in stotra it is because it is addressing goddess. Because I said that, Mr.
Sir,
Sharma,
sir.
So it is
Sir.
addressing a goddess. So whenever it is addressing a goddess, whether there is a Visarga or not Visarga, it remains feminine.
Sir.
But
Okay,
when it comes to a human being,
Sir.
there are people with the name Lakshmi.
Okay, sir.
So then it will become a pulling Lakshmi hi.
Pumling, sir. Sir.
But if it is referring to stotra is always a stuti, deva stuti.
Yeah.
Sir.
Guruji, I think that this one, rich man in Calcutta, his
Yes.
name is
Lakshmi Mittal. Yes, yes.
Because my husband met him once.
Yes,
He
very
came and explained everything. I said, Lakshmi, how can it be male? He said, yeah, he's a male. Even he was thinking before going, maybe female. He said, no, male.
तो
That is
उन्होंने
the-
परफ्यूम ज्यादा लगाया होगा ना.
नहीं sir, ऐसा नहीं है. It's not like that.
So nice of you. So nice of
I
you.
remember that
You
name.
remember him at every point, I suppose.
Yeah, that is true, sir. It can't.
But Vishala, he is with you.
Guruji, he has
Vishala,
told
he
me.
is with you. He is
Yeah. No, he has told me also. He wanted to go. He has told me I wanted to go before you because I can't survive without you. But you are very strong because of your astrology nowadays of Sanskrit and so many things is there active, so you can survive. So this he has told me in the month of November. He was knowing that it's okay. And sir, one more thing I want to say. When I was very small, I used to always have talk with.
Iswara because of falling alphabet. It's a Vyanjan.
It's a
Here it is a
consonant.
Vyanjan, absolutely consonant. So it is Anuswar. Very nice. And somebody else said there is no other word following because this is the last word of the sentence.
Last word, yeah.
So Mahalan. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. But this does not apply to arm. Did you observe this? When you say arm, the rule of Anuswar does not apply in this word.
Yes.
It does not apply because it is an independent word. Okay, it does not define, arm does not define any lingam. Pulling hai, napunsakling hai, striling hai, it is not deciding that. Okay. Tat karvastram va am. Tat karvastram. You have to complete the sentence. Am. Tat karvastram. Now, tat yutakam va. What is yutakam? Yutakam means shirt. Yutakam, shirt or t-shirt. You can say yutakam. Tat yutakam va. No, it is a full pant. When it is a full pant, it is called urukam. Urukam. So, tat yutakam va na. Tat urukam. Urukam means full pant. If it is a half pant or 3/4, okay, half pant, 3/4, or even shorts, ardha urukam. It is called ardha urukam. Am I
Guruji, can I
clear?
leave, Guruji?
Yeah, please.
Guruji,
Sir.
can I?
Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir. Even I am ending with this this thing. This is the last thing. Now we are ending our session today over here. I can understand that I will stop the recording now. I can understand